Welcome to my channel, everyone. We're making soup for weight loss. So I'm using some great ingredients, a bit of cabbage, carrots, tomatoes, and a bit of onion. I'm going to make it in my pressure cooker. Here I've peeled the carrots and chopped up my onions and tomatoes. So this is going to make 3 servings with all of these vegetables. So you can see it's very, very nutritious. I chopped up the cabbage and I washed it well in water. And I'm adding my cabbage to my pressure cooker. Now this is a little pressure cooker. I could have used a bigger one, but I just felt it would fit, and it did. And I don't like to make a big batch of this because, well, you know, it's nicer if you just make 2 or 3 servings. So anyway, the only seasoning I'm going to use is this salt-free Mrs. Dash. And the reason is because salt does make me retain water, and that doesn't help if I'm trying to lose weight. So I only use this serving. I've added 3 cups of water, and I'm going to put it on my stove top with the weight on, and the timing for this is on high to the first whistle and then 5 minutes on medium. So here's the soup as it is after. You can eat it hot with a splash of lemon. You can add more Mrs. Dash if you like, or, you know, obviously I don't add any other seasoning. And this soup is actually delicious cold as well. So if I took half of it and I blended it in the blender, and if you chill it in the fridge, it's so good with a splash of lemon, so refreshing during the summer. So hope you enjoy. Bye.